Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to speak on behalf of NTCC High School, Gate number 7, Malvani, Malad West. Myself, Mrs. Shaheen Sheikh, welcome to all for the online class for the EVS 2 lecture. Some instructions to be followed during the lecture. Use earphone or headphones for better learning experience. Keep a book and pen to make a note of important points. Read the text on the screen. You may pause the video till you get ready to resume or when you have to make a note of important points. Students, this is your EVS 2 lecture, chapter number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. Now, you have seen in the last chapters how Shivaji has defeated all the Mughals and begin for the Swaraj. Now we will see by use of force how Shivaji defeated the internal armies. Internal enemies means the relatives. Shivaji's own relatives were also not happy with him and they were against Shivaji. So by use of force, the Mawlas of the 12 Mawals gathered round Shivaji. They loved Shivaji more than their life. But some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. The Mawlas were very fond of Shivaji and they were ready to give their life for Shivaji. But some people were jealous, like Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. These were the two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. They created a lot of trouble in the Kundana district, but Shivaji was more than a match for them. He defeated and drove them out. Then Bajaji Nayak Nimbalkar of Paltan and Sambhaji Mohite of Supe were near relative of Shivaji. They were near relative of Shivaji means they were the brother-in-law of Shivaji. But Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, members of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Now, Sambhaji Mohite of Supe was a near relative of Shivaji. Shivaji arrested him and banished him to Karnataka. But Shivaji duty came first and relatives afterwards. So, without caring for the relation, Shivaji fought against them and win against them. Chandrarao More of Javli. More was the Jagirdar of Javli. This Jagir, along with the title Chandrarao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Now, the title Chandrarao was given by Adil Shah to the More. Javli was covered with thick forest that even during daylight the sun rays hardly penetrated it. Now, Javli was a thick forest and no one has an attempt to go over there and fight against them in that thick forest. But Shivaji was the only one who can do this. Shivaji had the courage to do so. Yashwantrao More, with Shivaji's help, ascended the Gadi as Chandrarao. Now, Yashwantrao has taken the Gadi as Chandrarao with the help of Shivaji. Because after Daulatrao More died in 1645, There was fight for the succession among these descendants. So Shivaji backed Yashwantrao More and he helped Yashwantrao More. He defeated them and then Yashwantrao More get the Gadi as Chandrarao. But Yashwantrao forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gadi. Yashwantrao forgot all the Shivaji's help. Shivaji has helped him to get the Gadi. But after that, after getting the Gadi, Yashwantrao forgot all the things. And Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. Rebel and you will die. Now Shivaji had to teach a lesson to Yashwantrao. So Shivaji first sent a note to Yashwantrao More. In that note, what Shivaji has written: "You call yourself Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me. So do not call yourself the Raja." So Shivaji has written a note to Yashwantrao, and that in that he has mentioned that you are not the Raja, but Shivaji, own himself is the Raja of that territory. Then Yashwantrao replied to that note. Now what Yashwantrao replied? "You are a Raja of yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja." Then after getting this letter from Yashwantrao, Shivaji again replied to Yashwantrao. Now what Shivaji replied? "Give up Javli and your pretensions to kingship. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life." Then Shivaji again gave him the words that he should give up Javli and surrender to him. He laid siege to Fort Rairi. He has, "If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt." So Shivaji told him to give up Javli, and if he is creating some problem, then he will be badly hurt by Shivaji. The conquest of Javli was a difficult operation, and I told you Javli was covered with thick forest, and so no one has guts to go over there. And it was covered with thick forest and protected by the Rairi fort. In that Javli, which fort was there? Rairi fort. So More were having numerous followers. More means that Yashwantrao More were having numerous followers. Yashwantrao held out for about a month but suffered very heavy losses. Now Yashwantrao fought against Shivaji and suffered heavy losses. He then escaped to Rairi along with his family. Now fighting with Shivaji was a great task, and after that he shifted to Rairi fort. But Yashwantrao fought desperately for 3 months, but he had to give up. And Shivaji again was the winning, and he won over the Rairi fort. Fort Raigad. Now the name has been changed to Raigad. The Fort Rairi fort, which Shivaji has conquered. Then after conquering the Rairi fort, he changed the name to Fort Raigad. The conquest of Javli was a very important landmark. This doubled the boundaries of Swaraj under Shivaji. The strong Rairi fort became a part of Swaraj. He changed its name to Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on the Bhopya hill nearby. It was named Pratapgarh. Students, you can see the fort, picture of a fort. This is the Rairi fort, but after conquering this fort, Shivaji changed its name to Raigad fort. Now students, we will take a recap Some questions are there. Listen it carefully. By the conquest of Javli, which fort became a part of Swaraj? So what is the answer, children? By the conquest of Javli, Rairi fort became a part of Swaraj. Next one. Which fort was built by Shivaji at Bhopia Hill? Pratapgarh fort was built at Bhopia Hill. Next one. What title was given by Adil Shah to the More of Javli? Adil Shah had given the title Chandra Rao to the More of Javli. Our new chapter, this is the home assignment, children. You have to write this in your notebook in good handwriting, and you can use your new books now. Circle the wrong match. Paltan of Nimbalkar, Javli from More, and Supe Jadhav. Now among these three pairs you have to circle the wrong match. Who said to whom? You call yourself Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. Who has said these lines to whom? You have to write that. You are a Raja of only yesterday. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. Coming up next, the next chapter will be chapter number 9, Pratapgarh makes history. Now already I told you, now the new fort was built by Shivaji at the Bhopia Hill, that was Pratapgarh. Now what they have done in Pratapgarh, this we will see in the next chapter. Be safe and healthy, children. Take care of yourself. Thank you.